Now doesn't that look pretty? Insert a system disk. Our lights are on, and the keyboard appears to be working. I'm not sure how to get that. There we go. Let's see if I can't get this old thing to. Maybe not, if I can remember which way the disk goes in this drive. Oh. You know, I might not have the disk drive plugged in. This is the model 16B. This actually had bad RAM in it when I first got it. I may have disconnected the disk drive. Dang it, I hope I didn't. Means I gotta open this up again. But the keyboard does appear, at least in that fashion, appears to be working normally. Just wish the computer would boot. Yeah, that gave me an error flash there. Darn it. Okay. Well, we got somewhere. I think this disk drive is having some problems. I did clean it. It's wanting to reboot. Ah, there we go. And the keyboard's working. Alright, let's see. We got a bunch of data in here. Let's see. 0. Oops. Backspace. Backspace. How about an arrow? There we go. Arrow key. 1 0. Oh, this is awesome. This is working exactly perfect. Oh, heck, what is today? Come on, where's the date? There it is. 24. 2012. Enter. I didn't like my date. 1984 or 1884. Whoops. Here we are. Yeah, that disk drive's having some issues there. But the keyboard's working. Oh yeah, keyboard's, here it is. Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Oh, there's backspace. I hit the wrong key, or I hit break earlier. That's no good. Let's try and give it another date. 20. Oops. Yeah, it helps if you push the right key. 1984. Bad response. Yeah, it's not liking something in the date, or the program it booted is corrupted somehow. And it won't let me go past the date. Month, day, year. Yeah. 1980? No. Well, is it going to take 2000? Nope, bad response. It's almost like the longer the computer's on, the better this works. Which probably means parts have to warm up. Let's see, let's try this date again. Oh, this keyboard types perfectly. Oh, here we go, time. Ooh. How about, oops, how about 02:45 in the morning? Oh, I didn't like that, did it? Oh, I hit colon, that's why. You wanted a decimal point. TRS-DOS ready. Oh boy, that's awesome. That is awesome. Oh. Now this is a Model 16, but it's booting up in Model 2 mode. I've taken out, it has, oh, I'm going to grab these right here. Holy smokes, there's a whole bunch of them. It has the 68,000 processor in it, I believe. It's got the Motorola. Let's see if I can't zoom in on that. This is designed to run Xenix. This is the CPU board. And then it has 3 memory boards. With 64, 64, 64, and 64, that's 256K per memory board. That's 768. This is supposed to run that Tandy Xenix operating system, and it does have the internal hard drive, but either the hard drive controller doesn't work properly, or somebody formatted the hard drive and I don't have the original disks to put the operating system back on the hard drive. So I'm kind of stuck with it like this. I can't get why. Oh, scripts, it's not on that disk. Oh, okay. I was going to try to get it to load scripts it. That's just the DOS. Oh, gave me an error. Actually a pretty quiet disk drive for as big as it is. Come on, zoom in, there you go. It does have the 15 meg hard drive, and it's a 5 1/4 inch full height drive mounted sideways in that case. Oh, it just will not let you go past this darn date. Oops. There we go. Yeah, as the computer runs for a little bit, things get warmed up and now everything's booting like it should. Probably worn out capacitors. As they get warmer, they start working like they're supposed to. Let's see, how about F1, create. F1, try the F1 key. Yay, F1 password? No. Document name, how about test? Oh, I love the keyboard is working. There's so many things. Just get into the thing, damn it. Here we are. Every key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Those keys work. The numbers, I'm not typing them in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, and then enter. Does what it's supposed to do. And I got the caps lock on. Now we'll do caps lock off. Shift. Yep, shift is working. Oh yeah. Awesome. Keyboard is working perfectly. All right. Yay, this video has a happy ending. Thanks for watching. 16B.